What's going on, guys? In today's video, part 2 of the cabin build, we're going to be setting 3 massive beams, 27 footers. Do keep in mind that I'm not really able to set up shots. I'm not able to like position the camera and stop and say, hey, I got to film this. Can we stop, do this another way? So just take it for what it's worth. Part of this video series is just for me to document the building of the cabin, the rebuilding of the cabin, whatever you want to call it, for prosperity, have it on YouTube. Other members of the family who want to see what we did and how we went along and rebuilt it. And I'm not going to be there for everything. I'm not going to be able to film everything. Work goes on without me. So just take it for what it is, take it for what it's worth, and appreciate you watching. My name's David. You're on the Abernathy Farm. Well, that's a 27-foot beam. We're gonna try to set the other one. That way we can maybe get the, start putting the rafters in. I gotta get this center beam set. Maybe start putting the rafters in. We're trying to get it dried in before winter. close. We're probably gotta do some hammer work like we did on the other one.
And it's touching down there, right?
Yeah,
It's touching down here.
It just needs to come in towards this.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know that. I can push on it a little bit.
Let me get out.
Go for it, Dave.
Up there. Yeah, keep pushing.
Beam, huh?
Yeah, it's in there. So, good thing we were working and the boss man showed up.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we got done. We like 2 on this end. Easy. See y'all next time. So we had to make a little adjustment here. We have these posts lined up with each other, but that's not the center of the cabin. So we ended up taking this wall down, moving this post over. So now this post is in the center. We'll scab a piece onto that post up there, and then we'll run our ridge beam, and that's gonna put it in the center. When we got to measuring for these rafters, this side was like 15 foot something, and this side was like 13 foot something. So now we got to cut new logs for this, because now these are going to be, the ones that were here are going to be too short, so we had to move this over the width of the log. Anyway, let's go.
Now, why would you want to take 2 hours out of your time to fix this?
I got nothing but time.
Well, I said, why would you not want to fix this?
Yeah.
I mean,
Come on,
man.
all right. I'm in. You in? Come my way a little bit. Right there.
Drove it up, buddy.
Now we got this 8-inch beam right here. It's like 30 foot long. We're gonna take it up there. That's the center beam going in there. Raise your forks up. I let go of it, it's gonna fall. Hold on. Yeah. That's it, you're fired.
Jack something holes. Just push that thing. Now sit on top of that ladder. Get the ladder. Alright, now go lift the boom up.
When you lift that, that's just gonna put more weight on that. You need to get
I'm
that
talking about to
up.
push it this
You
way.
need to get that up in there.
How you gonna have to push it this way?
Yeah, we're gonna push it that way.
It ain't but about a foot off. post. All right.
You talking about pushing it, not lifting it.
Pushing it towards me, and I'm gonna lift it up on there. I'm gonna hopefully. Lift it up some. Keep coming. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Come on with it. Push it, David. Come on. All right, lift. Stop. Turn it off. All right.
Now what?
Huh? Now we're going to get these ladders set up right here and help me spin this thing over so it don't go this way, it goes the other way.
What do you mean?
This stands up.
What about it? You get it up in there and then flip it. Worry about flipping it up on its edge once you get.
So I'm gonna have to apologize here. My camera died and I didn't get all the video of us setting the post, but we did set the post out of a lot of trial and error. We finally made it happen. We ended up having to push it up Amish style, like an Amish barn raising with these two 2x4s. But we got it in there, we got it turned. I hate that I didn't get it all, but that's just the way it goes.
Have a roof on it.
We got that beam in there.
Then you can be in there working when it's raining.
What? Oh, you taking pictures?
Yeah,
Sure, Dave.
I'm
Record landmark, man.
documenting the
documenting
the build here.
We'll get you at the reunion, yeah. Up there and give a little old speech.
That's a milestone right there. Getting that in there. When I come back next week, I expect a roof on.
Yeah.